Hi Math 2. So today we're going to look at a problem that was on your CIA that we didn't do very well on, and you're going to see it again on your midterm, so we need to review it. And so we need to find all the complex solutions to the quadratic. Now, complex solutions is a key phrase here because complex solutions means we're going to have imaginary numbers. And so if we're going to have imaginary solutions, we know we have to use our quadratic formula. That's the only way to find imaginary solutions. So this is our quadratic formula, and we know that we need to label A, B, and C. So A is the number in front of x squared is 1, B is the number in front of x, it's 4, and C is our constant, it's 5. Now notice A, B, and C never have variables in it. We're only talking about numbers because we should be able to plug and chug this formula. So negative B, so negative 4 plus or minus the square root of B squared, so 4 squared, minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is 5, all over 2 times A, which is 1. So then we're going to simplify this, and we always simplify what's in the radical first. So everything that's outside the radical, I'm going to keep the same. So 4 squared is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 5 is 20, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So we have negative 4 plus or minus the square root. 16 minus 20 is a negative 4 over 2. So when you have the negative, what you're going to do is you're going to pull out the negative 1. So this square root, we pull out that I and we just have the square root of a positive 4. Because when you pull out the I, you make the square root positive. The square root of 4 is 2. So this becomes 2I, all over 2. So here we are going to have our two equations. We're going to have negative 4 plus 2I over 2 and negative 4 minus 2I over 2. Now we can actually divide this because 4 and 2 are both divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, so we have negative 2 plus, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1, so just 1I, or I, and this is one of our solutions. Then the second one again, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2, and a negative divided by a positive is a negative 1I. So negative 1 and I and just I are the same thing. Think of I like a variable. Think of it like an x. And this would be our other solution. So go ahead and repeat this process 2 more times and then try the 3 problems on the back.